the right of citizens of the United States to vote
shall not be denied or abridged by the United States
or by any state on account of sex.
In thinking about the 19th Amendment's passage, where no women were sitting in Congress, thinking about where they had come since the first convention in Seneca Falls in 1848, you find in their writings and in their advocacy and in their marches and in their hunger strikes and in their petitions an incredible, deeply devoted desire to change the world to the good. We're so fortunate here at the National Museum of American History to have in our collection remarkable materials, some put into the museum by the very women who won the right to vote in 1920. That helps us tell the long arc of struggle and of sacrifice and of dogged determination. And this project, in which senators and congresswomen reflect upon their roles now, is in my mind part of a grand continuum of women's advocacy to be represented, to be heard, and to be equal partners, not just in families, but in the very nation itself.
When I was first elected to the Senate in 1992, there were only 2 women in the Senate. The election was dubbed the Year of the Woman because 4 women were actually elected to the Senate. Today, that number stands at 26.
When I was elected to the Tennessee State Senate in 1998, I quickly realized I was a caucus of 1. I was the only Republican woman in the room. Now, I am one of 26 women in the United States Senate.
When young girls see women sitting in powerful positions, it tells them they can do the same thing in their career. It's amazing what happens each time we shatter a glass ceiling.
We know this: we need to encourage female leaders in their communities to step up and take on the challenge of running for public office.
Today we look across the landscape of women's activism and we see what we call intersectionality, which means we have women of multiple backgrounds, multiple races, multiple ethnicities, and multiple perspectives fighting for a broad set of powerful and ongoing struggles. That wasn't always the case. So the activism that you see then leading up to the 19th Amendment is in many respects the same activism we see today. The work that lies ahead of us is to continue to broaden to the deepest and most expansive and most inclusive frame possible that all women, regardless of where they are, what color they are, where they're from, are not denied or abridged in their capacities to vote.